Hello everyone, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to tell you about n8n. Introduces n8n as a workflow automation for technical teams with the tagline open source node based automation that combines visual building blocks with the full power of code when needed. The five node categories are trigger, action, utility, code, and advance. Now, coming to what is n8n, explains n8n as a fair code licensed automation platform where you build workflow usually by connecting nodes but can drop into JavaScript, Python code whenever the visual builder isn't enough. It can run self host free or on n8n cloud. Key stats is 400 plus integration, 10,700 plus community templates, and its fair licensing. It is a flexible open source workflow automation platform. It let you connect different apps, APIs, and AI model using a visuals. Now coming to how it works. Walking through the four steps workflow processes, first is trigger, webhook, scheduled or event, start things off. Second is connect nodes on the visual canvas. Third, you can optically add codes for complex logics. And fourth, you can run monitor execution with visual debuggings. So the main four steps are trigger, data passing, logics and transformation, and actions. Now, coming to the key features of it. Six features cards, visual workflow, builder, code when you need it, AI agents, LLMs agents with memory tools, RAG, self hosted freedom, 400 plus integrations, and data control, keeping sensitive data in your own environment. And also JSON data visibility and advanced routine binary data supports, visual canvas, etc. Now we are coming towards its pricing. So, four tiers compared self hosted, free, unlimited. Your infrastructure started as 24-month euros, 2,500 executions. Pro level is 60 euros, highlighted as the most popular, 10,000 execution. And business 800 euros. Enterprises scaled with SSO and SLA. Notes billing is per execution, not per steps. So now we are moving towards its pros, cons, and verdicts. So its pros are cheaper execution based billing, free self hosting, code plus no node flexibility, strong community. Cons is self hosting needed, dev OPS efforts, steeper learning curve than pure no code tools, execution caps, and strained scheduled workflow. EUR pricing adds FX vulnerability. Verdicts are best for developers, technical teams needing both speeds and code level control at the scale. So, one thing I would like to tell you about AI automation and AI agents. AI automation, it is used for performing tasks, whereas AI agents are capable of decision making. Now will come to the n8n. In this, you will get a build from scratch area, and this is a tagline in which I will like AI tools. This is a tag you can add. Sorry, again I'm adding it. Now we will come to the editor's evaluation and execution. So the name is added. Now the editors triggering a run directly inside the UI workplace while building or debugging, whereas evaluation running the test database through your workflow to measure correctness, tools usage, or strings similarity. So these is the basics of this n8n. Now we will opening a build from scratch. So I will go to the sign of plus. Here you can build from scratch. Here you can see the trigger manually. It is used for starting a workflow yourself instead of waiting for an automatic event. Now we will coming to on app event. On app event, it is a category of automatic triggers nodes that start a workflow application. Now coming to on a schedule, it is a trigger that automatically start your workflow at specific predefined time intervals. Now coming to on form submission, it is a trigger that automatically starts your workflow whenever a user wants, like user enters the form. Now coming to on chat message, it is also used to run the flow when a user sends some chat messages to it. Now we will perform that how it actually works. So let me open it. Like I have triggered manually. Here this node has come. Here I will execute it. You can see the node has executed. Now I will add it. Now I will go to the AI in which I will add AI agents. So this is all the framework. In this you can add the AI agent. So here I have added. From here you can add the chat module. You can take any chat module. You have unlimited options, so I will be taking this OpenAI chat model. You all can see that here. So from this black area you can see, you can click from here to exit this. So I will be exiting it. Here I have added the OpenAI chat. So now I am executing it. So I have got an error just because here the AI agent subnode open module, it is just performing an error because I have not given any. Here I will now claims. Here I will claim for it. After that I'll get it. So I have given him the hello, what is the meaning of AI. So you can see that here I have got the answer because I am chatting with an AI. So when I will go to the green light shows that it is working. So I have executed it again. It means that your automation is executing. Your workflow is successful, that you whatever you have added, it is correctly. So here we also have memory, which type of memory you want to add, your tools. Basically in this you can also build your roadmap, that how you want to like automate, how you want to make a model. So the main work and conclusion of n8n workflow automation guides is to serve a accessible node based platform that bridge the gap between simple no code tools and complex custom. Now I'm coming to end this session. Thank you for all. Thank you to all.